Yeah, gentlemen, good morning and welcome to Studio 4D. Look at that. This is my iPhone 12 Pro Max, and today I have received a new update, and I'm ready to update this phone right now. Are you ready? Okay, let's do this together. As you can see, this is the iPhone 12 Pro Max. Look at how it looks like. Beautiful, nice, great, amazing camera. What do you think? If you are not project, why Apple? Why Apple? Look at the camera is on. Not bad. I put here amazing glass screen protector. Okay, now let's talking about this phone. Look at that. Amazing, beautiful, nice. Okay, so much applications. iOS 64. Storage 128 available. Storage 60, 70 available RAM. Look at, not bad. Now you can see the update here. The brand new update is front of you, which is iOS 15.4.1. You can see don't install now. Now I can install right now, but I need to put my passcode before. Now get ready. Verifying update. This is the setup. Setup started right now in front of you all. Do you believe it? This one is cool. Look at the design. Amazing design. Not bad. My battery is charged. Oh, where are you? I think that registration process started. What do you think? You need just to wait. Look at how it looks like in my hand. Can you see this? But I don't care. I don't care. Oh, look at selection process. Start it. Okay. Okay. Nice. Good job, Apple. Now wait minutes. Okay. And it's done. Look at that. Do you believe this? You can see software update. Can you see this? Nice. Your iPhone has been updated to iOS 15.4.1. Okay. Now my phone is updated. Can you see this? Cool. Nice. Okay. Let's see more information about this. Let me enter my passcode first. And welcome home. This is what I'm talking about. Ha, nice. Okay, what new about this? I don't know. I don't know very well Apple, but I think that this is like security patch level update or some features update. Okay, this is cool. As you can see, every icon working very well here. Okay, nice, good. Okay, what about iOS 64? Let's see the RAM and the storage. Okay, can you see available RAM? Storage. Oh, I have more storage now. No. Operating system. iOS 15.4.1 is definitely updated. Let's check sort of update, and well done. It's up to date. Okay, let's see. Camera. Nice. Video. And you can see everything still working very well. iPhone device so good. Content. Photo. This is Dolby HDR Dolby Vision video. You can record in HDR Dolby Vision video with this. 4K, 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 60 FPS for every camera here, even for front camera. I love it. Can you see this? 4K, HD, 4K, HD. Nice. Now, let's test. Cool, it's working. This is iPhone 12 Pro Max still good. Very, very good. Can you see this? Can you see this? I love it. Okay. Nice. Let's watch. Volume. iPhone 12 Pro Max still good. Very, very good. Can you see this? Can you see this? Nice. As you can see, it's working very, very well. Let's talking about Pro camera. Another camera is here. Pro Cam 8. This is camera, professional camera, a premium camera. Can recording even 4K 60 FPS, HDR Dolby Vision video. Okay, let's get started. Start recording. Mode in front of you. Counter. Pause. Resume. Pause. Resume. Okay. Stop it. Nice. Now the video is here. Start recording. Mode in front of you. Counter. Okay. This phone is amazing. It's very, very impressive. Wow. Brightness. Look at the brightness. Good. Nice. Okay. What about notification? Okay. Notification panel is here. This is GNANGSTUDIO 4D last video. You can check. You can watch my videos. Look at one day we want to E4.1. Cool. And look at my face. I love you. I love you. This is so cool. Now, I recommend you to restart your phone. Okay? Restart your phone and enjoy yourself. Okay. Thanks for watching. God bless you. And I see you later for more videos on my channel. Thanks for watching. I love you all. Subscribe, like, and share this video.